Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a business model. First, grasp that a business model outlines how a company generates value. It's like a blueprint showing how an organization operates to make money. We'll break down the core elements, helping you analyze any company's strategy. This guide will provide a clear, step-by-step approach to understanding these crucial frameworks. Next, focus on the value proposition and customer segments. What unique benefits does the company provide, and for whom? A compelling value proposition addresses a specific customer problem or need, making the offering attractive. Understanding the target audience, whether it's individuals or other businesses, is fundamental to seeing how value is delivered and received. Now, let's look at the financial engine, revenue streams, and cost structure. How does the company make money? Is it through subscriptions, sales, or advertising? Simultaneously, consider the costs involved, such as production, marketing, and salaries. A successful business model ensures that the revenue generated significantly outweighs the expenses, leading to sustainable profits. Finally, consider key resources and activities. What assets, like technology or skilled employees, are vital for the business? What core tasks, such as manufacturing or software development, must the company perform well? These elements are the backbone, ensuring the company can consistently deliver its value proposition and maintain a competitive edge in the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.